Jang Il-woo is a South Korean actor. He was born on September 9, 1987 in Seoul, South Korea. Jang comes from a pretty well family. His father was a television news anchor, and that's one reason why Jang was attracted towards television and film since childhood. His mother was professor at the Korean National University of Cultural Heritage. He has a sister as well. His father was also the director of a Kendo Academy. His grandfather is the chief director of a hospital in Korea. He went to Seoul Institute of the Arts to study broadcasting, but he soon realized his love for acting and transferred to the theater and film department of Hanyang University. Jang is close friends with fellow actors Lee Min-ho and Kim Bum. In November 2016, he was diagnosed with a cerebral aneurysm. Although this would have exempted him from his mandatory military service, Jang enlisted in December 2016. Jang was discharged on November 30, 2018. In 2019, Jang starred in the historical action drama Heichi. This marks his project after enlistment. In 2017, Jang starred in Gone Drag Game Maya, making him the first Korean actor to land a leading role in a Thailand drama. The drama emerged as a local sensation and led to a rise of popularity for Jang in the country. In January 2016, Jang signed with a new management agency, HB Entertainment. Jang made his return to Korean television in TVN's romantic comedy Cinderella with 4 Nights, playing a lonely and wild child rebel who is not yet used to being a member of a rich family, having lived most of his life as an orphan. In 2015, Jang starred in the Korean-Chinese web drama High End Crush opposite Jin Se-yoon. Jang then starred in the Chinese romantic comedy film Rise of a Tomboy, where he plays the CEO of an IT firm who helps the girl develop a love formula for a mobile app. He has attained worldwide fame through his hit drama series and talked about movies. Jang's breakout role was in 2011 Tearjerker 49 Days, in which he portrayed the scheduler, a witty modern-day Grim Reaper. His popularity increased with his leading man turn in 2011 cable romantic comedy Cool Guys, Hot Ramen, in which he played an arrogant, immature yet lovable cable heir. A supporting role in hit 2012 historical drama Moon Embracing the Sun followed. Jang played a prince who becomes his half-brother's rival in love and for the throne. Following the success of Cool Guys, Hot Ramen and Moon Embracing the Sun, Jang was launched to stardom as a Hallyu star. He won the Asia Male Actor Award at Beijing's Wedding Awards, the first non-Chinese entertainer to be nominated at the award show since it began in 2005. In 2011, he became an honorary ambassador for 12th Jeonju International Film Festival and also at Canadian Tourism Commission. In 2007, he appeared in a film named My Love, which was a romantic comedy. In 2009, he got a lead in The Return of Ilchime. His role was of a historical warrior who was adamant in bringing justice to the world.